Thinking of going solar? Here's what you should know before you install. Installing solar panels is a smart investment, but it's important to make informed decisions. At Power Planet, we make the process simple and seamless. Here are the key factors to consider. 1. Does your roof get enough sunlight? Solar panels need sunlight to work. Your roof should get at least 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight every day, especially between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. If trees or nearby buildings create shade, the panel's power will reduce. 2. How much electricity do you use monthly? Check your electricity bill. If you're using around 200 to 300 units per month, you may need a 2-3 kilowatt solar system. More usage? You'll need a higher capacity system. 3. Is your roof strong and big enough? Solar panels are heavy. Your roof must be strong enough to support the weight and safe to work on. A 1 kilowatt system needs about 100 square feet of shade-free area. 4. Which type of solar panel is right? There are many types of solar panels available in the market, each with different features, efficiency levels, and prices. But the best choice depends on your roof size, budget, location, and personal preferences. At Power Planet, we carefully assess your home and help you select the panel that fits your needs and gives you the best value. 5. What about cost and government subsidy? A typical 3 kilowatt system can cost around 1.6 to 2.4 lakhs, but the government gives a subsidy of up to 78,000 on residential rooftop solar. Power Planet helps you apply and get it easily. 6. Should you go on-grid, off-grid, or hybrid? When you install solar panels, you have 3 main system options. On-grid systems are connected to the electricity board. You use solar power during the day, and any extra goes back to the grid, reducing your bill. It's affordable and ideal for homes and cities. Off-grid systems work without the grid. They store power in batteries and are useful in areas with no electricity or frequent power cuts. But they can be more expensive due to battery costs. Hybrid systems offer the best of both. You stay connected to the grid, but also have batteries for backup during outages. At Power Planet, we help you choose the system that's right for your home based on your location, usage, and budget. 7. Who will install it? Even the best solar panels won't work well if they're installed wrong. That's why choosing the right installer is key. At Power Planet, we do more than install. We handle the site visit, subsidy paperwork, and give you a clean, fast, and safe installation all in one place. More than just install. With us, you don't just get panels. You get peace of mind. Installing solar isn't just a purchase, it's a long-term investment. So make it with the right people.